Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Cassou, and this is my final project. I did it on computer history and the effects computers have on society. The initial motivating factor behind the development of computers was computation. A need for mechanical assistance to make computation an easier and more time-effective process drove scientists to begin looking into new technologies. As a result, several inventions were created to assist in this process. The first invention we're going to discuss is the difference engine. The difference engine was created by Charles Babbage, and it was made to assist in logarithmic calculations. Using this tool made creating tables and computing calculations much easier. This thought process was revolutionary and the beginning of developing machines to do this type of work for people. The next machine we're going to discuss was created by Herman Hollerith, and it was created to process census data in the census of 1890 in the United States. Prior to this machine, the census was tallied by human workers. The development of a punch hole system to tally census cards, which was incredibly effective and reduced labor, was a huge development in technology. Hollerith went on to start the company IBM, which became a leader in computer technology and remains a leader in the technological world today. If computation was the initial motivating factor in the development of computers, communication was a secondary motivation. The next stage of this process was using relay technology to increase the calculations these machines were capable of computing. This was also the beginning of binary code. The first machine that used binary and relay technology was the Model K adding machine. It was created by George Stibitz, who worked for Bell Telephone Laboratories. By using binary and relay technology, this machine was capable of doing more computations and introduced relay technology to the computer world. It was also the beginning of binary code in computer technology. The Z3 computer, which was created by Konrad Zuse, a German scientist, also used relay technology and advanced computation. This is when the computer started to really take off. The birth of modern-day computers. Preceding World War II, there was an explosion of technological advancements in the computer industry. Several companies developed as leaders in computer technology who still remain prevalent today. In 1951, the UNIVAC was created by J. Presper Eckert. This was the world's first commercially produced digital computer. This was the beginning of the computers we use today. It was large, as you can see in the illustration, and it used thousands of vacuums to function. The most revolutionary component of computer history was the Internet. Connecting computers by a network allowed people to communicate through their computer to anywhere or anyone in the world. Today's computers are predominantly laptop devices. Weighing as few as 3 pounds, they have come a long way from the UNIVAC, which took up an entire room. The data reports that there is a computer owned for every 4 people in the United States. The age of information provides us with access to information at our fingertips through handheld devices. There have been many positive effects on society as a result of such a strong accessibility to information and communication. This technology makes research easier, social connectivity more available, business relations are enhanced, and people have a quicker response time to inquiries. The ability to pay bills by clicking a button or transfer funds from one account to the next. Education has made classes like this one available online. There is access to ebooks and textbooks downloads, instant access to medical records and doctors. There are negative effects as well. Over-communication can be a bad thing. Social media provides a platform where people can broadcast anything to their entire network. Also, with all this information out in cyberspace, there is increased possibility of fraud. Then there are psychological disorders that have resulted in overuse of the internet and gaming. Internet addiction disorder, IAD, is a real mental health issue and can be recognized by agitation when the individual is unable to log on, mood swings, withdrawals, and reduce social life. There are many different ways to treat it, but regulating computer usage is the preferred method. Taking into account all the good and bad, it is clear that the advancements made through computer technology far outweigh the negative effects or risks. Our daily lives have all been enhanced by this technology through cell phones, GPS, the internet, and the ability to complete any computation we need through computer application.